Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. Yesterday we completed only 5 problems in 6.1 exercise. So fourth problem is given homework. Maybe all of you completed. Next, sixth one you see, question number 6. 6 to 16 all are same model. 6 to 16 all are same model. Listen carefully. Sixth one. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. So you have to solve here x value. You have to solve x value in this. So x values write one side and numerical values you write. Same procedure you have to follow. What procedure you follow in equal? Equal is there. What procedure you follow? The same procedure you follow. Right? Now 3x plus 5x bringing this side minus 5x greater than minus 1. So here minus 7 is there. Right RHS side plus 7. Now this is minus 2x greater than minus 1 plus 7, 6. Now what we have to do? Now x value always should be ideal. So what value multiplying? Minus 2 is multiplying. So divided by a minus 2 on both sides. Minus 2 on both sides, then what happens? So minus 2x divided by minus 2, when multiplying negative value, the inequality should be reversed. Here greater than is there, less than 6 by minus 2. Now minus 2 cancel. X less than minus 3. X less than minus 3. Then you write solution set. Solution set means what values is satisfied by x. Such type of all values you consider in a set, that is called a solution set. Minus 3. Arrow mark showing in left hand side. Arrow mark showing in left hand side. So tell me answer. Minus infinity comma minus 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ರೇಷಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ you have to take in set bracket. So here they are asking only x value, means you should write in solution set. So you have to write solution set in intervals, so in between all real numbers are present. Generally solution set we are showing in intervals only. Understand? Note down fast. Note down fast. Next, 7th one. 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 of x minus 3. 2 of x minus 3. See this question. So first you do general simplification. Implies 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. After that, variables one side, constants one side you have to write. Now 3x plus 2x is there, bringing this side, minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6. Minus 3 is there here. Right RHS side, that is plus 3. General simplification only I did. implies 3x minus 2x x less than or equal to, so minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. So arrow mark showing in left hand side. Left hand side moving means what numbers satisfies up to minus infinite. So solution set equal to minus infinity comma minus 3. So there less than equal is there. You have to take open interval or closed interval? Closed. So for infinite side, plus infinite side or minus infinite side, always you take open interval only. Always you take open interval only. Here less than or equal to minus 3. So you take closed interval for minus 3 side. So note down fast. Note down. Next one, 8th one, 3 of 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 bracket of 1 minus x. Do this one homework. Do homework this one. See 9th one. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11, x by 3 less than 7. Okay na? Always you remember general simplifications only. Okay na? So when we are applying inequality properties or rules, at that time I will give hint. Okay na? At that time I will write the sentence multiplying and dividing. At that time you have to apply inequality rules. Now see, general simplification, general LCM 6. Now 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than 11. So implies do cross multiplication. So 6x plus 3x plus 2x means it is nothing but 11x less than, so 11 into 6. 11 into 6. Understand? Understand? Next step what we have to do after cross multiplication, x value we are going to simplify. So divided by 11 on both sides. Divided by 11 on both sides. So what happens? 11x divided by 11. So less than 11 into 6 divided by 11. So x less than 6 is the remaining. X less than 6 means what you understand? So less than, arrow mark showing left hand side. So left hand side all numbers are satisfying. So solution set equal to, tell me what? Solution set equal to minus infinite comma 6. Both sides open interval we have to take. Open brackets you have to take. Understand? Note down. Note down fast. Note down. 10th one, x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. X by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. Same procedure. X by 3 greater than LCM is 2. So x plus 2. LCM is 2. X plus 2. Do cross multiplication. So while doing the cross multiplication, inequality does not changes. Don't be confused. So 2x greater than 3 of x plus 2. So implies 2x greater than 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. Now 2x minus 3x greater than 6. X values write one side, plus 3x bringing into left hand side minus 3x. Inequality does not changes. Now this is minus x greater than 6. So I needed only x value. They are giving only minus x value. So what we have to do? Apply rules. So divided by minus 1 on both sides. It is a negative number, so minus x divided by minus 1, so less than 6 by minus 1. So negative value is dividing, negative value is multiplying, so inequality is reverse. So x less than minus 6. X less than minus 6. Understand? So solution set. Tell me solution set. Minus infinity comma minus 6. Open interval. Minus infinity comma minus 6. Open interval. Understand? Next 11th one. 3 of x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 of 2 minus x divided by 3. 5 of 2 minus x divided by 3. Little bit difficult listen these problems. So you have to listen all exercise problems in your material. So many problems given, you have to practice. Okay na? Those problems you have to practice at least 5 problems after the class. Same model questions. Okay na? So I am not giving sometimes homework problems also. At that time, then what we have to do? So in material, same model questions are there. You should practice. Okay na? So like that you have to practice every day. At least you have to spend half an hour time on mathematics. Right? Now see continuation. Now see here multiplication, general multiplication. So cross multiplication you do first. So 3 into 3, 9 of x minus 2 less than or equal to 5 into 5, 25, 2 minus x. Bracket of 2 minus x. Now 9x minus 18 less than or equal to 50 minus 25x. 50 minus 25x. Understand? Now you write one side variables, one side constants. Now 9x plus 25x minus 25x bringing into left hand side means plus 25x. Inequality change agalla. Less than or equal to 50 plus minus 18 means bringing into RH side, that is plus 18. 9x plus 25x means 34x less than or equal to, this is 68. So divided by, next step you know that very well, divided by what value? 34 on both sides. On both sides. 34 is a positive or negative? 34 is positive or negative? Positive one. So inequality does not change. So 34x divided by 34 less than or equal to 68 divided by 34. Now do simplification. 34 cancel, x less than or equal to 60, 34 ones and 34 twos. Now you write the solution set. Tell me solution set equal to minus infinity comma 2. So two side you have to take a closed interval. So closed bracket you have to take. So for infinite side minus infinite or plus infinite, always you take open bracket only. Open bracket only. Don't be confused. Not down fast. Right. 1 by 2, 3x divided by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 bracket of x minus 6. Right? See that simplification. First what we have to do? Cross multiplication. So 3 is multiplied here. What happens? 3 of 3x plus 5 divided by 4 greater than or equal to 2 is multiplied here, 2 of x minus 6. Understand first step? Understand? Next. 9x divided by 5 plus 3 into 4, 12 greater than or equal to, so 2 into x, 2x minus 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 2, 12. Now variables one side and numerical values one side. So 9x divided by 5, so minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 12 minus 12. Minus 12 minus 12. Understand? Understand this step? Next. Now take LCM. 5 is LCM. 5 is LCM. 9x minus 5 into 2, 10x greater than or equal to minus 24. Minus 24. Understand? Again cross multiplied, 9x minus 10x minus x divided by 5 greater than or equal to minus 24. Now what we have to do? Cross multiply. So minus x greater than or equal to minus 24 into 5. Minus 24 into 5. Again what we have to do? Dividing minus 1 on both sides. Right? So divided by minus 1 on both sides. Minus 1 on both sides. So minus x divided by minus 1 less than or equal to minus 24 into 5 divided by minus 1. Understand? So inequality is changed. So negative value multiplied or divided, inequality is changed. So this is the x less than or equal to, so minus minus get cancelled. 24 into 5, 120, right? 120. So solutions that you write, solutions at minus infinite comma 120, minus infinite comma 120, 120 side closed interval. Note down fast, note down. Thirteenth one, 2 of 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 of x minus 2. Do this one homework. 13th one, do homework. Next 14th one, 37 minus of 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 of x minus 3. Minus 8 of x minus 3. Note down. Question number 14 you have to see. 14, 13 same model solve. I will do 14. So 37 minus is multiplied minus 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x plus 8 into 3 plus 24. Left hand side simplification. 37 minus 5, 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x x plus 24. Again what we have to do? So variables one side, constant one side. So minus 3x minus x greater than or equal to 24 minus 32. So 24 minus 32. Understand? Now left hand side minus 4x greater than or equal to 24 minus 32. How much? 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Now what we have to do? Divided by minus 4 on both sides. Minus 4 on both sides. What happens? Minus 4 x divided by minus 4. Inequality changed. less than or equal minus 8 by minus 4. So what is our final answer? X less than or equal to 2. So our solution set minus infinity to 2 closed interval. Understand? Students, understand? No doubt. Note down fast. Next one, 15th one. X by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. See this one. See this one. This one and the next one both are important problems. Listen. X by 4 less than RHS side you take LCM. So what is LCM? 15. 15 is the LCM. Again cross multiply. 5 of 5x minus 2 minus 3 of 7x minus 3. Next implies x by 4 less than, so this is 25x minus 10. So again minus 3 into 7x minus 21x minus into minus plus 9 divided by 25. Understand? Now x by 4 less than 25x minus 21x 4x minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 divided by 15. So left hand side fraction, right hand side fraction, cross multiplication. So implies 15 into x less than 4 of 4x minus 1, cross multiplication I did. Implies 15x less than 16x minus 4. Next what we have to do? 15x minus 16x less than minus 4. Next one, minus x less than minus 4. Then what we have to do? Divided by minus 1 on both sides. Minus x divided by minus 1 greater than minus 4 divided by minus 1. So x greater than 4. Then you write solution set. You see this one, solution set. Moving right hand side. So starts from 4, ends from infinite. Right? Starts from 4, ends with infinite. Note down fast. Okay, Namma? Question number 16. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. 2 minus x divided by 5. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. See this one implies, so 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to, so what is LCM here? 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5, 20. Again cross values multiplication. 5 of 3x minus 2 minus 4 of 2 minus x. Now 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to, simplification. So 5 into 3, 15x minus 10. So minus 4 is multiplied. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Minus minus plus 4x divided by 20. Divided by 20. So 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to, so 15x plus 4x, 19x, minus 10 minus 8 minus 18 divided by 20. Divided by 20. Now again what we have to do? Cross multiplication. So 20 of 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 of 19x minus 18. 19x minus 18 implies 20 into 2x means 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 3 into 19, 57x minus 3 into 18, 54. 54. Now what we have to do? 40x. So variables one side, minus 57x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20, minus 20 bringing here plus 20. Now see, 40x minus 57 means minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20 minus 34. So here divided by, next step, divided by minus 17 on both sides. Minus 17 on both sides. Minus 17x divided by minus 17 less than or equal to minus 34 by minus 17. Negative values dividing means inequality is reverse. So whatever this is x less than or equal to 2. So solution set minus infinite comma 2 minus infinite 2 comma 2. Understand? Note down. Next, solve the inequalities. Heading: solve the inequalities in exercises 17 to 20, and show the graph of the solution. And show the graph of the solution. Show the graph of the solution set on number line. See, very simple this is. 17th question. Question number 17. So 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. So first you write solution set. That solution set you represent the graph. Okay na? How? You see, very simple. So first of all, what we have to do, general procedure, 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2, right? After that, this is x less than 3, right? Solution set equal to minus infinite comma 3, right? Graph for this, you take one number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You take one number line. This is number line. So you represent this value minus 3 in minus infinity comma 3. 3 where it is there? 3 here. So it is not in this number line. 3 is in this interval. 3 is not present. Right? 3 is not present. That's why at 3 you take circle. So circle you take. Okay na? From this you take one line like this. So that is a circle, not shaded. If you shaded means 3 is also present in that. Not shaded, 3 is not there. From 3 onwards, arrow mark showing left hand side. So you have to show arrow mark like this. Arrow mark like this. This arrow mark represents what? So from that 3 to every real number is satisfied by this inequality. Each and every number is satisfied up to where? Minus infinity. That arrow mark only showing. That is graph of given inequality. That is graph of a given inequality. Okay, right? So like that you try 18th one. Like that you try 18th one. So 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. So graph of this inequality is this one. Right? Suppose here closed interval is there. You have to take same graph and here you have to shade it. Here you have to shade it. That 3 you have to circle, you have to shade it. Understand? Okay, na? So if you know, you try this. Otherwise, I will explain in next class. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you everyone.